Hey guys, this is Tom J, and today I have here one very nice design. I'm coding for my client. It's actually a redesign of existing website, and right now I'm at the place I want to code this nice very simple and very useful requested feature that's looking like Instagram wall. It's there are nine pictures that are just in this kind of grid, and this is what I want to do and show you. It's extremely simple today to make such design. Uh, I'm gonna sound old, but I'm remembering like two no 5 years ago make something like this was so difficult. You could use a table which has some its own crazy things going, or a float, or some kind of inline block, and definitely every single one of those options are just just no. So I have prepared here HTML. This HTML is non-styled right now. It has this block has no CSS attached to it, and on the page it's right here, which is not even visible. I have pictures in there, and it is still not visible because they are all loading as background images. So without any size of these elements, they're just not gonna show up. So let's start. Uh, I'll start. I didn't do much of mobile coding here, but this element, this grade, I'm gonna start in a mobile version, because I don't actually think I'll be doing any changes for higher resolutions. Okay, see, it's no, there's nothing for mobile version right now. So install class, let's build everything around install in HP CSS, because I have it's not in any other part of the design of the website. So just display as grid. I intentionally said grade before. It's a grade, nice grade, because it's just display grade, and order it as I want, which is 3 columns. Grid template columns. One fragment, which makes all the columns the same width. I know I could use just this, but if I have to, or anyone have to come back to it in, I don't know, month, years, this is so much easier to see and make updates, make changes. So this created a the horizontal layout, the columns, and those are still not showing because height is still 0. So let's go like this, and it still won't show. It won't show because it's one fragment of the height of the outer element of this insta wall, which here, which has no height right now. So let's set to it with how much do we have here? 170, 170, 170, which is, sorry, it's even if my brain is shutting down. 510 plus 10 pixels, so 520. And height, of course, the same. Great. But right now it's actually perfect like Instagram grid. But I really want these spaces between the photos. And it's, again, super easy. I started using gap like 2 months ago. I actually didn't trust it would be supported in every major browser, which I find out it is, which is great. And just using it since. For in this project, I'm gonna use it so often. You can see it's simple grid design, everything. Gap. This is gap. Gap. You see, this has also some gap. Although I think I stretched these items just to one to another without gap and put a padding inside. But here is gap. This is gap. Here again. It's just super simple codes these items list. And it's actually done. I think I should just center it because right now it's wow. Huh. Much better. Super awesome. And I'm just gonna continue to make this entire section of the social contact. Forty-seven. So just use grid, use flags. Flags has the same gap feature, which is awesome. Not every items are grid right now, or I plan as a grid. Many of them I plan as flags because you can't stretch grid on the entire height if some elements are smaller than others. Like these reviews are perfect example. You just see one line, 3 lines, and continue 5 lines. You don't know how long reviews people are going to write, so just make it flex and make it ln items stretch. As you can see here, I believe I have it. Nope. Oh no! I've done it in a different way, I believe. Okay, let's leave it for another video. Okay. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Use grade if it looks like a grade, and use flex if it looks like a grade with not exact sizes. This perfect for flex. Is perfect for flex. Actually, I use mostly flex grade. This is perfect example for grid because it's actually a grid and never going to be anything else. Okay, bye.